Girlfriend, are you looking for a simple yet effective skincare regimen that does not have any anti-aging ingredients? Well, this video is for you, and we are going to preview a brand new product so you can see exactly how it works. I think you're gonna like it. We'll see you on the other side. So I am so excited to share this product review with you and give you step-by-step instructions on exactly how to use this so you can decide if you want to try it, and just know that we do have a mini set that you can try before you buy the big set to really see if it's for you. Let's do this, shall we? So I started off with a bare face and just really wanted to start off with the cleansing. Cleansing is essential for your skin. It removes the impurities and the foundation. So I wet my face first. This is actually the cleanser that I'm using, and it comes in two formulas. One is mattifying and one is balancing. So really just depending on what type of skin you have, you can decide which regimen would be best for you. If you're combination to oily, of course you want something that's more mattifying so you can keep that shine down. If you're normal to dry, you're going to want more balancing and you're going to want more moisture. So I am using the cleanser using upward and outward motions when I cleanse my face. You always want to go up because you're going in the opposite direction of gravity. Now, I know that you're not interested in an anti-aging product, but if we can help our skin to be lifted more so than to be pushed down, we definitely want to do that. So that's why I really make it a point to use upward and outward motions. So now I'm rinsing the cleanser off of my face. I want to make sure that I get it all off, and we're going to go to the next step. Of course, the first step of skincare is cleansing, and the next step that we are going to actually do is the exfoliation. Now, exfoliating only happens 2 to 3 times a week, and I normally like to do my exfoliation during the nighttime. So as you saw, I put a little bit on my hand and then dabbed it in. It has little mini beads in it that is removing that dead and dull and dry skin off of your face so that you can have vibrant looking skin. And it also helps with unevenness, because oftentimes uneven skin comes as a result of it being dead skin that hasn't been removed. So when you exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, you will relieve yourself of this. Not saying that it's going to take all of it away, but it's definitely going to remove that dead, dull, and dry skin over time, as well as discoloration. Because like I said, oftentimes that's a result of the dead, dull, and dry skin. So we are taking the exfoliant off. I really made sure that I took it off, or touched my face to make sure I took it off, and then now I'm patting my face dry. And now we're going to move on to the next step in the skincare line, which is the toner. And toner is really important because it refines our pores. It basically removes the impurities from our pores that can lead to breakouts, and should be done after you cleanse your face or after you do this scrub that we just used. You're going to put it on a cotton ball, just squeeze a little bit on a cotton ball. And again, you want to apply the toner using upward and outward strokes. So as you see, I'm applying the toner in upward and outward strokes, putting it all over my face, making sure I stay out of my eye area, but just on the perimeter and around my face to make sure that I really are cleaning out my pores. And as you can see, there's nothing, no dirt there at all, because the cleanser did such a great job. Now the next step we're going to do is moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important because it hydrates your skin. Now, I know some of you are a combination of oily, and you may think, I don't need a moisturizer because my skin already naturally moisturized. But what this moisturizer is in the mattifying formula is a oil-free moisturizer that will help mattify your skin. And then in the balancing formula, it's going to give the skin more moisture. That is why it's very imperative that you get a skincare regimen that resonates with your skin type. Because if you're oily, you don't need moisture, but when you're dry, you do need moisture. So you want to make sure that you do that. So now I have finished my skincare regimen and we are all done. My skin feels wonderful and moisturized, and I just can't wait to put on my makeup. Now, at this point in the regimen, you can put on your makeup. So you would put on a primer before you apply your makeup. that would be your next step. However, if you were going to bed at night, then this moisturizer would be your last set. You are basically putting your skin to bed and you are ready to have a good night's sleep or watch a movie or whatever you may be doing next. I highly recommend that you wash your face when you get home from work, because oftentimes if you sit on the couch, I can remember when I was doing that, and I still do that at times. If I'm really tired and I sit on the couch, I'm going to be exhausted. So I really make it a point to cleanse my face before I just kind of relax and hang out for the night. Now, the products that we use today are in the description below, so you can look at all the products that we use. We also have a Go Set, so if you're curious to actually see what this does on your skin, you can purchase that as well. And it's a travel set that you could use for traveling, or just kind of just demo the products to see how it's going to do. And if you end up buying that mini set, you will get a discount on the full size. So comment below and let me know if you have any questions or concern about this product review. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.